How to give Robux to people on Roblox. Now, in order for us to get this done, I want you to take note that there isn't really any direct way in order for us to get this done. The only way you can send Robux to another person is by basically buying something from them. Now, in order for us to get that done, that person has to create something, say for example, an item, and I'm going to show you how he or you can get that done. So first things first, head over to create.roblox.com, and once we are here, just go ahead and click creations. Again, this should be the account of the person whom you want to send Robux into. So once we are here, I want you to look at that person's name. For example, this one. I'm just going to go ahead and click it. And then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see passes under the monetization. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one. And once we are here, we're going to have to create a pass. Go ahead and click this one. And then you can upload any image or just leave it there. Now, say for example, this is the name. I'm just going to go ahead and give this one a name. Say for example, sample pass. And then you can go ahead and leave the description with nothing. Click create pass. Alright, as you can see, we have the sample pass right now. It says off sale, so just go ahead and click that one. And then we're going to click the sales, because this time we're going to go ahead and click this, toggle it on, meaning it is for sale. Now from here, I'm just going to go ahead and put here 500 as the value. Now take note that there is a creator earnings of only 70%, meaning the rest of it is going to go to Roblox. So take note of that. Now after doing so, go ahead and click save changes, and you can go ahead and click this in order for you to go back. Now click this one, and then you can just go ahead and copy the URL, and then you can go ahead and send this to that particular person. Basically, the Robux sender has to buy this one in order for him to be able to send you Robux. And that's the only way in order for us to give Robux to other people on Roblox.